Alright, well, boating season is just around the corner, whether you're chartering in the Mediterranean or digging your own boat out from under the snow and ice. Think how much more fun you will have if you're confident in your knowledge and implementation of the collision avoidance rules. This is a sequence from my online course available at the BoatSafe app. In this case, we take a deep dive into Rule 14, the head-on situation, which you will encounter pretty much every time you take your boat out. The rule states that when two power-driven vessels are meeting head-on or nearly head-on, each vessel shall alter course to starboard so that each shall pass down the port side of the other vessel. Common misperceptions we hear all the time. Might has right, the law of gross tonnage. The more maneuverable vessel keeps out of the way of the other vessel, none of which appear in Rule 14. So get my course at the BoatSafe app, where you'll find this rule as well as all the other rules that you will use every minute that you are driving your boat, so that this summer you'll be confident, safe, having fun, and looking cool.